Unveiling the Essence, molded to perfection. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we have a special phrase to explore: molded to perfection. This phrase is not just about shaping something physical. It's about the journey to achieving the utmost quality or state. Let's unravel the meaning, usage, and the beauty behind molded to perfection. Molded to perfection is a phrase that beautifully combines two key words, molded and perfection. To mold means to shape or sculpt something into a desired form, often using hands or tools. It's about influencing or developing something with great care. Perfection, on the other hand, refers to the highest standard, where something is considered flawless or as good as it possibly can be. When these words come together, they describe a process or result that has been expertly crafted or developed to the highest possible standard. This phrase is versatile and can be found in various contexts. Here are a few. In art and craftsmanship, when an artist or craftsman creates a piece that is without flaw, it can be described as having been molded to perfection. In sports training, an athlete who has honed their skills and technique through rigorous training might be said to have been molded to perfection. Personal development. In the journey of self-improvement and skill acquisition, achieving a level of expertise or mastery could also be referred to as being molded to perfection. This phrase is often used to express admiration or approval of someone's skill, craftsmanship, or development process. For example, admiring art. This sculpture has been molded to perfection, capturing every detail beautifully. Acknowledging effort. After years of practice and dedication, her piano skills have been molded to perfection. In everyday conversation, you've really worked hard on this project. Your efforts have molded it to perfection. Molded to perfection is more than just a phrase. It's a testament to the dedication, skill, and hard work it takes to achieve excellence. Whether you're speaking about art, sports, personal growth, or any form of craftsmanship, this phrase helps convey the highest praise for achieving flawlessness. We hope this video not only enriches your understanding of this beautiful phrase but also inspires you to strive for perfection in your endeavors. Thank you for joining us, and remember, the journey to perfection is always worth the effort.